How to redeem Google a gift play card on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection. Make sure you're logged into your account as well. Then tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Here, select on the option of payments and subscriptions. As you tap on it, you can see there are 4 different options from payment methods, subscriptions, budget and history, and redeem code. Now, since we want to redeem the Google a gift play card, simply tap on redeem code. Now, when you tap on redeem code, you'll be able to see the option that you have to enter a code over here that you receive on your email ID or that gift play card. Or you can just scan the gift card by tapping on this camera icon, and that's how you'll be able to redeem Google a gift play card on Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.